Word problem based on geometrical figures. See, the length of rectangle is greater than its breadth by 2 centimeter. The area of rectangle is 24 square centimeter. Find its length and breadth. See, let the length of the rectangle be x and therefore its breadth will become x plus 2. It is greater than, therefore the length of the rectangle is x plus 2 because it is greater than breadth by 2. Now the area of rectangle, L into B, breadth into length. So we can substitute the value from the given condition. It is x into x plus 2 is equals to 24. Solve the bracket. X square plus 2x is equals to 24. So x square plus 2x minus 24 is equals to 0. Now we can factorize this minus 24 as 6 4s are 24. See, we require plus 2, that means 6 will become plus and 4 will become minus. So plus 6 and minus 4. So we can write equation as x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms we can take x common in bracket x plus 6. From the next two term minus 4 is common in bracket x plus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore x plus 6 into x minus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 6 is equals to 0 or x minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 6 or x is equals to 4. But see, x is equals to minus 6 is not acceptable because the breadth of the rectangle cannot be negative. Therefore x is equals to 4. So x plus 2 will become 4 plus 2, that is 6. The length of the rectangle is 6 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 4 centimeter. See, in this way, by using formula area of rectangle L into B, you can form the equation and find length and breadth. The length of one diagonal of a rhombus is less than the second diagonal by 4. The area of the rhombus is 30 square centimeter. Find the length of the diagonals. Now see, the length of the other diagonal of rhombus. See, one diagonal is less than other by 4. So the other diagonal be x. And therefore the first diagonal will become x plus 4. Now area is given, so as per the given condition, area of the rhombus is equals to half into product of the diagonals formula, but area of the rhombus is equals to 30 square centimeter. We can substitute the formula area of rhombus half into product of length of the diagonals is equals to 30. So half into x plus 4 is equals to 30. So x into x plus 4 will become 30 into 2, that is 60. Solve the bracket. X square plus 4x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now you have to take factors of minus 60. It will become 10 and 6. So we can write the equation x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 60 is equals to 0. Make a group of two terms. From first two terms we can take x common in bracket x plus 10, and from the next two terms we can take minus 6 common in bracket x plus 10. So x plus 10, x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore x plus 10 is equals to 0 or x minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 10 or x is equals to 6. Now see, The length of the diagonal of the rhombus cannot be negative. That means x is equals to minus 10. Not acceptable. Therefore, x is equals to 6. The length of the diagonal of the rhombus is 6 centimeter. See again student. We have to use formula area of the rhombus is equals to half into product of the diagonals and then form a equation. You will get the length of the diagonal of rhombus. See, one diagonal will become 6 and the other diagonal will become 6 plus 4, that is 10 centimeter. A rectangular playground is 420 square meter. If its length is increased by 7 meter, breadth is decreased by 5 meter, the area remains same. Find the length and breadth of the playground. See, let the length of the rectangle be L and its breadth be B. Now, by formula, area of rectangle L into B. Area of rectangle is given as 420. That means L into B is equals to 420. Therefore, we can write B is equals to 420 upon L. Now see, its length is increased by 7 meter. That means the length will become new length L plus 7 and breadth is decreased by 5. That means breadth is 420 upon L minus 5. Area remains same. That means from the given condition, L plus 7 into 420 upon L minus 5 is equals to 420. Now we can bring this in standard form of the quadratic equation. For that, multiply throughout by L. Now first you can solve the bracket. You will get 420 minus 5L plus 2940 upon L minus 35. 420 get cancelled. So we have minus 5L plus 2940 upon L minus 35. Multiplying throughout by L, we get minus 5L square plus 2940 minus 35L is equals to 0. Dividing throughout by minus 5, we get L square plus 7L minus 588 is equals to 0. Now you have to take factors of this minus 588 so that its subtraction will become plus 7, and see the factors are 28 into minus 21. So we can write this equation L square plus 28L minus 21L minus 588 is equals to 0. Now from the first two terms we can take L common in bracket L plus 28, and from the next two terms we can take minus 21 common in bracket. We will get L plus 28 is equals to 0. So L plus 28 common bracket, second will L minus 21 is equals to 0. So L plus 28 is equals to 0 or L minus 21 is equals to 0. Therefore L is equals to minus 28 or L is equals to 21. Again see, the length of the rectangle cannot be negative. Therefore L is equals to 21 meter. Length is 21 meter and breadth B is equals to 420 upon L, that is 420 upon 21, it will become 20 meter. So the length of playground is 21 meter and its breadth is 20 meter. See student, in this way again you have to use formula area of rectangle is equals to L into B. The sum of areas of two squares is 400 square meter. If the difference between their perimeters is 16 meter, find the sides of two square. See, difference in their perimeters is given as 16 meter and find the sides of the square. Now see, difference between the perimeters of the square is 16 meter. So the difference between the sides of the same square is 4 meter. So we can write the side of the smallest square be x centimeter and the side of the larger square be x plus 4 centimeter, the side of the bigger square. Now sum of the areas of these two square. So we can write equation by formula area of square is equal to side square. So area of the smaller square as per the given condition will become x square and for the bigger square x plus 4 the whole square. So we can write equation x square plus x plus 4 the whole square is equals to 400. Now we can expand this bracket x plus 4 the whole square. So we have x square plus 8x plus 16 plus 400 will become minus 400 is equals to 0. So x square plus x square 2x square plus 8x minus 384 is equals to 0. Now we can dividing throughout by 2 we get x square plus 4x minus 192 is equals to 0. Now see student, you have to take factors of this minus 192 so that you will get their subtraction plus 4 and the factors are 16 and minus 12. So we can write x square minus 12x plus 16x minus 192 is equals to 0. Now we can make a group of 2. From first two terms we can take x common in bracket x minus 12. From the next two we can take 16 common in bracket x minus 12 is equals to 0. Now see, x minus 12 is common. So x minus 12 into x plus 16 is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 12 is equals to 0 or x plus 16 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 16. But the side of the square cannot be negative, that means x is equals to 12. So, x is equals to 12, that means for the smaller square side is 12 and for the bigger square x plus 4, that is 12 plus 4, it is equals to 16. So we can write the answer. The side of the smaller square is 12 meter and the bigger square is 16 meter. In this way we have side of the squares. Exterior angle of regular polygon having n side is more that of the polygon having n square sides by 500. Find the number of the side of each polygon. So given number of sides of one regular one regular polygon is equals to n. See, for regular polygon number of sides are n and number of sides of the other regular polygon is equals to n square. Now see student, we can write exterior angle of polygon having n side is equals to 360 upon n degree, and exterior angle of polygon having n square side is equals to 360 upon n square. Now see, difference between them is given as 500. So as per the given condition we can write equation 360 upon n minus 360 upon n square is equals to 50. Now we can solve this by taking 360 common. In bracket we have 1 upon n minus 1 upon n square is equals to 50. Now we can cancel 0, 0. So we have 36. In bracket you can take LCM n square. So you have n minus 1 upon n square is equals to 5. Now cross multiply this, you will get 36 into n minus 1 is equals to 5n square. We can solve the bracket. 36n minus 36 is equals to 5n square. Now we have to write this in standard form. So all the terms will come to RHS. We get 5n square minus 36n plus 36 is equals to 0. Now 5 into 36 will become 180 and we have to take factors of 180 so that its sum will become minus 36 and the factors will be minus 30 and minus 6. So we can write equation 5n square minus 30n minus 6n plus 36 is equals to 0. Now we can make a group of two terms. From first two terms we can take 5n common. In bracket we have n minus 6. And from the next two terms we can take minus 6 common. In bracket you get n minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore n minus 6 common bracket and the second bracket 5n minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore n minus 6 is equals to 0 or 5n minus 6 is equals to 0. Therefore n is equals to 6 or 5n is equals to 6. Therefore n is equals to 6 or n is equals to 6 upon 5. See students, 6 upon 5. N is the number of sides of polygon. So n is equals to 6, not 6 upon 5. N is equals to 6. Therefore n square is equals to 36. That means the number of the sides of required regular polygons are 6 and 36 centimeter respectively. The sides of one regular hexagon is larger than that of the other regular hexagon by 1 centimeter. If product of their areas is 243, then find the sides of both the regular hexagons. Now see student, the side of one regular hexagon. So let the side of the smaller regular hexagon be x and the side of the bigger regular hexagon is x plus 1 centimeter. Now we require product of their areas. So we can use formula area of regular hexagon 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square. So for smaller side will be x, so 3 root 3 upon 2 into x square, and for the bigger 3 root 3 upon 2 into x plus 1 the whole square. So as per the given condition we can write equation area of smaller hexagon into area of bigger hexagon is equals to 243. So 3 root 3 upon 2 into x square into 3 root 3 upon 2 into x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 243. So we can solve this 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 9 into 3 upon 4 into x square into x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 243. So x into x plus 1 the whole square is equals to 243 into 4 upon 9 into 3. So you will have this 36. So x square plus x the whole square is 36. Now we can take square root of both the sides, or x into x plus 1 we can write is equals to plus or minus 6. But x into x plus 1 is equals to minus 6 is not acceptable because the product of the side of the hexagon cannot be negative. That means we have to consider x into x plus 1 is equals to 6. So you will get x square plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. And factors of this minus 6, 3 into minus 2. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. From first two terms we can take x common in bracket x plus 3. And from the next two terms we can take minus 2 common in bracket x plus 3 is equals to 0. So x plus 3 common in second bracket, x minus 2 is equals to 0. X plus 3 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore x plus 3 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 3 or x is equals to 2. But again side of the regular hexagon cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 2. And for another hexagon x plus 1 it will become 2 plus 1, that is equals to 3. The sides of both the regular hexagon are 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively. See, in this way you have the sides of regular hexagon. Around a square pool there is a footpath of width 2 meter. If the area of the footpath is 5 by 4 times that of the pool, find the area of the pool. See, around the pool there is a footpath. So like this, there is a square pool and there is a footpath. So this is the pool and this is a footpath. Now see, width of this footpath is given as 2 meter. And question is we have to find the area of this pool. So we can assume length of the square pool as x. So the total length of this square pool along with footpath will become x plus 4. X plus 2 plus 2, that is x plus 4. Now see, we can write this explanation. The side of the inner square pool be x meter. The width of the footpath around the pool is 2 meter. Therefore, the side of the outer square is x plus 4 meter. Now, by formula, area of the square is side square. Now, see student, we have as per the given condition, area of the outer square is equals to area of the inner square plus area of the footpath. So area of the outer square will become x plus 4 the whole square. Area of the footpath is 5 by 4 times area of the inner square, that is 5 by 4x square. So at RHS you will get x square plus 5 by 4 x square. Now we can solve this. X square plus 8x plus 16 is equals to x square plus 5 by 4 x square. X square get cancelled. 8x plus 16 is equals to 5 upon 4x square multiplying throughout by 4. 32x plus 64 is equals to 5x square. We can write this in standard form, that is 5x square minus 32x minus 64 is equals to 0. Now see, minus 64 into 5 will become minus 320 and the factors of minus 320 are minus 40 into 8. So 5x square minus 40x plus 8x minus 64 is equals to 0. You can make group of 2, first 2. From first 2 we can take 5x common in bracket x minus 8. And from the next 2 we can take 8 common in bracket x minus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore x minus 8 common in second bracket, 5x plus 8 is equals to 0. X minus 8 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 8 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 8 or x is equals to 5x plus 8. So, x is equals to 8 or x is equals to 5x is equals to minus 8. Therefore, x is equals to 8 or x is equals to minus 8 upon 5. Side of the pool cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 8. So, x square is equals to 8 square, that is 64. So, answer area of the pool is 64 square meters. See, question, find the area of the pool, and therefore answer area of the pool is 64 square meter.